Hello guys, today we're making a ping pong game on Scratch. So for the beginning, we go in our backdrops. This one. Then we get the ball. We also add the line. And we want to also add a pad. So we want to move the line down here. The paddle here. So now for the ball, the code will be you go in events, point in direction 45. Yeah. Then forever move 15 steps if on edge bounce. Then we also add another one when clicked forever if then so if in then we add here this one paddle. So let me just move it up here. So now we add a new variable and we'll name it score. Score. So after adding our variable, we will do this change score by 1, then turn 118 degrees and move 15 steps. 15 steps and then wait for 0.5 seconds. Then we also want to change the score if the ball hits the red line. So there we will add when clicked, set my score to 0. Then we'll be going on the line. So on the line, the code will be when clicked forever if sensing touching ball stop. Then for the paddle, it's a really easy code. So when clicked forever set X to mouse X. So mouse X is here. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.